Hi everyone, welcome to the video this month. This month I'm going to show you how to make a fun fold card. The base of the card, you're going to need a piece of cardstock cut at 4 1/4 by 11, so a half sheet cut the long ways. And then you're going to take that piece and you're going to score it at 2 3/4, 4 1/4, 7 1/4, and 8 1/2. Then you're going to fold so that it's almost like an accordion. So this top part goes down and then this middle section also goes down. So you have it folded like that. You're also going to need 2 pieces of DSP, and I have chosen the Magnolia DSP that goes with the stamp set that I'm going to use, which is the Good Morning Magnolia. You're also going to need 2 pieces for your greeting. So you need a piece that fits down here, which is 4 by 2 1/4, I think. Let me double check. Yes, 2 1/4. And then another piece that is 4 by 1 1/2. This piece can be a different size or can be not used at all if you want to put a stamped image instead, and that'll make sense in just a minute. Now I've chosen to stamp the small magnolia and then color it in with the Mossy Meadow and the Petal Pink blends. And I've already done that for you so that you don't have to watch me color. So that's done, and then I used the coordinating framelits to cut it out. So I have that piece. And then I have a couple of squares that I cut out using the framelits as well. So that's another part. And then I stamped some words and some design. So this is a thank you card. And then I also have this piece. So we're going to put the card together. So we'll start with the front. So this is going to get attached right here. So we're going to take our adhesive, and I'm going to put it on this part rather than put it on the pattern paper so that I have a little more control. Okay, and then I'm going to flip that over. And the same goes on this piece. So I'm going to put this here. And I don't think I said this, but the DSP pieces are 4 inches square. So this goes here. So you notice that they hang off the edges just a little bit. And that's so when the card is closed, you actually see everything. Now you can make sure that everything is straight and lined up. And then I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back of my flower here. Side. And then this is going to get attached to the front. Place that right in the middle. I love using the liquid glue because you have a little bit of give and you can kind of move it around a little bit. And then our 2 greeting pieces. Center that one. And you want to make sure that it's covered up on the bottom by the other piece. So move it around, or make sure that you don't put it too low so that it's not showing when you close the card. And then same with this piece. This piece is going here, but you want to make sure that it's covered up. So I try to keep it more towards the top here. Okay, just like that. So when it's closed, it's like this. And then I'm going to add this little piece here. I'm just going to put a little bead of adhesive right here. And attach that. It's a little longer than it needs to be, so we'll have to trim that. And grab my scissors. Trim that off. And then we just have to attach the flower to the front. Okay, so the card folded is like this. And it will fit in a regular envelope. And then when the person opens it, you have the thank you, and then you have the very end. I have another one that I did a few months ago for a class. So it's using retired DSP, but just to give you another example of this one. So I hope you enjoyed the video this month, and we'll see you again next month.